Hello and welcome. Let's discuss this question that came in the year 2023 and is related to the topic oceanography. The question is, consider the following statements. Statement 1, the temperature contrast between continents and oceans is greater during summer than in winter. Statement 2 is, the specific heat of water is more than that of land surface. Which of the following statement is correct in respect to the above statement? So to understand this question, we have to look how continents and ocean gets heated up. Now, the temperature contrast between continents and oceans is greater during summer. Why? Because the difference in how quickly land and water heats up and cools down. Let's consider two scenarios. First is summer. Land heats up quickly. Land heats up quickly as well as cools down quickly. Heats up as well as cools down quickly. Okay. Now, during summer, where is water? Water heats up slowly heats up and cools down. Now, during summer, land is getting warmed up quickly and to a higher temperature, whereas water is getting heated up slowly and comparatively lower temperature. So since land is getting more warmed up as compared to ocean, so the temperature contrast is more. The contrast is more. Whereas during winter, both land and water cools down. Thus the contrast is not much. The contrast is not much during winter, whereas the contrast is more during summer. Now, why this difference in heating up of land and water? Because water has higher specific heat as compared to land. That is, or as compared to other substances. That is, it takes more time and energy to heat an amount of water as compared to other surface or other substances or lands. That's why water gets heated up slowly as well as it cools down slowly, whereas land gets heated up faster and to a higher temperature as compared to water. Now, if we consider Earth, northern hemisphere has more land as compared to southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere has more water. Now, this more water will require more time and energy to get heated up. That's why they are cooler. That's why southern hemisphere is cooler. Southern hemisphere is cooler than northern hemisphere. Now, if we look into this question again, the temperature contrast between continents and oceans is greater during summer. We already saw it is greater during summer as compared to winter. So first statement is correct. The specific heat of water is more than that of land surface. We already saw that water requires more energy and more time as compared to other substance. Hence, to heat an amount of water, hence specific heat of water is more as compared to land surface. So both the statement is correct, and second statement is correct explanation of the first statement. That is, it requires the specific heat of water is more, hence specific heat is more, hence it requires more time as compared to land. Thus, land gets heated up faster during summer, and the contrast is more. Contrast is more. So that's why both the statements are correct, and second statement is the correct explanation of first statement. So A is the correct answer.